Welcome to Divine Spirit Messenger. My name is Tommy Xavier, and I'm a psychic medium and Reiki master. Every relationship leaves an energetic imprint, forming invisible cords between you and others. While some connections are nurturing, others drain your energy, leaving you feeling depleted, emotionally entangled, or stuck in past patterns. Signs that you need to cut energy cords are constant thoughts about someone even when you don't want to, feeling emotionally drained or energetically heavy after interacting with them, or difficulty moving on from a past relationship, friendship, or toxic dynamic, unexplainable mood swings, anxiety, or negative emotional cycles, or feeling tied to another person's emotions, pain, or negativity. Today, we call upon spirit guides and divine light to sever these toxic attachments, reclaim your energy, and restore your personal power. Accept this healing and step into your power. Now, let's begin. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Hold and release. Again, inhale deeply, feeling your body relax, and exhale, letting go of all tension. Now, imagine yourself standing in a vast open space filled with divine white light. In front of you, a thick, energetic cord extends from your body, connecting you to someone or something that no longer serves you. On a sacred stone altar beside you, 3 powerful crystals glow with intense energy. Black Kyanite, the sword of energetic freedom, cutting away toxic cords. Selenite, the purifier, clearing all lingering negative energy. Smoky Quartz, the protector, grounding and shielding your energy. If you have black Kyanite, hold it in your hands or visualize its sharp blade-like edges cutting away unhealthy energy cords. If you have selenite, place it over your crown or heart chakra to clear residual attachments and seal your aura in divine protection. If you have smoky quartz, hold it near your root chakra or in your hands to anchor and stabilize your energy. If you do not have these crystals, simply receive their energy as I send it to you through this meditation. Breathe in their sacred energy and prepare to release all energetic burdens. Now visualize a glowing black kyanite sword appearing in your hands. This is your tool of release, charged with the power to sever all toxic connections. Now look at the energetic cord before you, connecting you to the past relationship, painful memory, or toxic influence. Feel the weight of this attachment, the energy it has drained from you. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, swing the black kyanite sword through the cord, cutting it completely. As the cord dissolves, feel a wave of relief, clarity, and freedom washing over you. You are no longer bound to this energy. You are free. Silently affirm with me. I release all toxic attachments that no longer serve me. I am free from past energy cords and reclaim my power. My energy is whole, strong, and completely my own. Now bring your focus to your selenite crystal, or visualize one in your mind. See it radiating a pure white light, sending waves of purification, healing, and divine protection through your entire being. As you hold or envision the crystal, recognize that you are now activating its full potential. Through your awareness and intention, its energy strengthens, dissolving all lingering energetic residue and sealing your aura in divine light. Imagine this energy expanding, surrounding you in a protective cocoon of white golden light, ensuring no unwanted energies can attach to you again. As this energy moves through you, feel yourself stepping into a state of complete renewal and spiritual sovereignty. Silently affirm with me, I am purified, protected, and divinely guided. No energy that does not serve me can enter my field. I walk forward in strength, clarity, and freedom. Now take your Smoky Quartz and place it near your root chakra or hold it tightly in your hands. Feel its stabilizing energy flowing through you, reinforcing your strength and shielding your energy field. As you ground your energy, affirm with me, I am fully present, grounded, and in control of my life. I am safe, strong, and deeply rooted in my truth. I trust myself and move forward with confidence and clarity. To complete this activation, I surround your entire aura with a shield of divine light. This shield ensures that you remain free from toxic energy and unhealthy attachments. Your energy remains strong, protected, and balanced. You walk forward with clarity, strength, and peace. Take a deep breath in and release. Say out loud or in your heart, I am free, whole, and fully in control of my energy. Your spirit guides now step forward, placing the hands over your head and heart. A radiant white golden light flows from the hands, sealing your aura and protecting you from future attachments. Silently affirm with me, I am purified, protected, and divinely guided. No energy that does not serve me can enter my field. I walk forward in strength, clarity, and freedom. As this session comes to a close, know that all toxic energy cords have been severed and dissolved. Your aura is cleansed, renewed, and shielded. You are moving forward with strength, clarity, and personal power. Step into the world fully aligned, energetically sovereign, and deeply protected. You are free, and so it is. Blessings to you always.